Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, click the like button, and activate notifications. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing. I'm very excited. Stay tuned. I purchased a Versace accessory. But first, don't forget to subscribe, activate notifications, and click the like button for future videos every Monday. Comment below what you want to watch on my channel. That way you give me ideas of what stores you want me to visit or what other types of videos you're interested in watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, that will help me out. So please don't forget to subscribe. But let's get started without further ado. So this is what it came in. So let's open it. I was in the market for a luxury belt. So first of all, it comes with the return process, step by step, which is very convenient. The receipt, real quick. I will show you my personal information. A return label. And the packing slip. My address probably was there. Please do not rush and send me things for free, sponsors, or I will not have enough space to put all the boxes that you send me. Okay, I'm not complaining, but I haven't received any PR as of yet. Hopefully soon, right? This also came in the package. It's an envelope. It says Versace. Let's see. Oh, wow. It looks like it's a postcard. Very nice. That was packaged in the box. And there's another one, second one. Cool. So this is a nice little gift, I guess. It comes in this box. So the packaging is nice. Let it focus. Now let me show it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open it. Nice. I love it. Let it focus. There was a different color option, which was like a blue and green with a silver belt or buckle. This is a gold one, and the second one is silver, and this is a black with gold accents. I'm not gonna tell you my size, which is like super big, but you don't need to know that. I'm gonna keep that to myself. I love the material. I ordered it from the Versace website. And this is called I do not see what it is called. So I will show you on the website where I found it and how you can order it for your convenience. So this is another little accent that it has right there. You see the Medusa, it's right there. And you can adjust this. So that's really nice. I don't know why my phone is not focusing. So I'm hoping that you did get a really good close-up. There's the buckle detail. So let me show it again. Okay. The price was $325, I believe. And I got it in a size 125. So you figure that out. I feel it would go good with jeans, even with black dress pants. This would go on nice, or khaki. So it's very, very versatile, this piece. So I am really happy with it. I'm glad I ordered it, and I will keep it. So that was my Versace belt unboxing. So if you're interested, I will show you a clip of how you can order it on the website. And hope you enjoyed watching this video. Once again, guys, don't forget to subscribe, activate notifications, and click the like button for future videos coming every Monday. So see you next time, guys. Bye-bye. To purchase the Versace belt, you would search for Versace. If not, you type in Versace.com. You're going to search on the main website. And you can select men, accessories, belts. And you can see the selection they have. There's two versions of this belt. The buckle is a little different. This is not the one I purchased. I purchased the Grecca ribbon belt, and the price was $325, or is $325. And that is how you can wear it. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook.